It's all about English language. No grammar sessions, only direct speaking sessions. Are you in hurry to reach your destination of speaking English? Want to avoid the traffic of subject, verb, object, tenses, verb, so and so? If yes, then I suggest you one bypass. Don't bother about the mistakes. Directly join speaking sessions where your mistakes will work like fertilizer. If you don't know the meaning of fertilizer, ask me. What is the use of fertilizer? Ask me. And if you want to improve your speaking skills, directly I invite you to join this session. For more details, you can contact on the given number. And one more thing, don't waste your time in grammar learning if you have control and confidence on your words. If needed, we will also talk about grammatical concepts if necessary. So, take this seriously, join it if you want to get started. The choice is yours. Let's meet soon. Thank you. Jai Hind.